Alright guys, so I'm editing this video and I wanted to say one thing. I asked you guys last night whether I should title it Mystery Box or whether I should just title it like Supreme and Bape Close to Retail. And a lot of you guys said that I should just title it $2,000 Mystery Box because I didn't know a lot of the items that were in this box. Now, that being said, you guys know I always keep it real. I'm not ever going to make a video where I'm dishonest with you guys. I did know about 4 of these items and I opened up the box prior to the video because I wanted to try those items on. So there were a couple items that I saw prior to actually opening it, but when the box was sent, I didn't know about a lot of the stuff that was being sent. Now I also want to clarify, Sarugeneral does not really do mystery boxes. The dude is a reseller who just has some awesome deals on Bape and Supreme. And actually at the time of this video being posted, if you look in the description below, you will see a link to his website. There should be some stuff on his site. Also, I'm gonna leave his Instagram somewhere on the screen and a link to his Instagram down in the description below as well. I'm telling you, the dude has some killer deals. And lastly, the main reason I want to add this little clip at the beginning of this video is because one of the items he sent me actually did not fit. So I'm debating whether I should do a giveaway or not. If you guys want to see a giveaway with me and Sarugeneral, I just need you to do 2 things. 1, smash that like button. And 2, make sure you go follow him on Instagram and beg him like, yo, we need to see a Star Life giveaway. Anyways, let's get into the video. What is up, YouTube? Welcome to the Star Life and welcome to yet another video. Today we are going to go over some bathing ape. I got me some bathing ape. I got me some bathing. But we are also going to go over some Supreme.
That is some hot Supreme.
So I reached out to an account that I have seen just kind of doing his thing. He's a reseller and he's got such a sick stock of Bape and now even Supreme that is just really dope to see him do his thing. The dude actually has some really good deals and he even found me a piece that I have wanted since like 2006. The dude has some sick ass Bape pieces and he's starting to carry some Supreme as well. Now, as you guys know, I don't personally really follow Bape that much. In fact, I actually only have like, I think 2 pieces. I got this and, wait, is it not in here? Oh, here it is. Yeah, 2 pieces. I got this right here. I love this jacket. Retail on this was way too much money. I already made a video about it, so I'm not going to talk about it. And then I have this right here, which is a Bapesta tracksuit. Also not worth the money. And honestly, like, this is one of their newer tracksuits. I got this off of Undefeated for, I don't even want to remind myself how much I paid because honestly it was just not worth it. Anyways, you can find way cooler tracksuits, like actual vintage dope tracksuits, dope freaking Bape sweats, all that stuff on Sarugeneral. So I just kind of, I don't know, like once I came across his page after buying this, I kind of just regretted buying this. And the reason for that is because I could have got way cooler shit from him. Now, as you can see, I got a plethora of goods. I got quite a few things. First, I'm gonna go over one of the items that I knew I was going to get. This is a piece that I've wanted for years. Like, I've legit wanted this piece for so long. And it is a beautiful red camo Bape puffer coat. Now, one of the reasons I wanted this jacket in my younger days was because I saw Wayne wearing it, especially in that Hustler music video. Like,
yeah, I'm saying, next to hit your mans in the head with this one. I'ma paint the city red with this one.
Dude looks so fly. He had the matching Bape hoodie with this exact red camo. Like, this is one of my favorite red camos only because of Wayne. Like, I can't even lie to you. Like, I think it's just so dope. Now, he did not have the one with the white fur lined hood. Sorry, Wayne, you don't got that. You don't got that. Actually, he probably does or did have it, but he just didn't wear it in that video. But yeah, man, I'm so gassed to have this in my collection. Like, I legit have wanted this piece for so long. So originally when I hit him up, we talked about doing some work together and I asked him if he could find me this piece and he found me this piece and got it to me for $450. Like, you do not understand how good of a deal that is. That's below retail. Like, this jacket retails for more than $400. It's got the zip off hood. The zippers are butter. It's in perfect condition. Like, dude blessed me. I cannot believe he found me this and got this for me for such a good price. That's what I'm saying, man. You need to check out his sales. Like, legit, every Sunday, this dude sells some stuff and he just has sick stuff to post. Now, next up, I did not know he was gonna send this piece. I was so gassed. I did do a little bit of gloating, a little bit of showboating to some of my friends because I was so shocked that he actually sent this to me. And that is the purple Gucci tee. Now, this piece is crazy. I checked the tags. Everything looks legit. You got Trap God 1017 on the back. Goo Wop. You got the freaking photo of Gucci Mane himself right there. Personally, my favorite Gucci song is definitely Swing My Door. I need 18.5 every time But yeah, now I have the purple and the forest green Gucci tee. Now this print is a little bit faded. You can tell it's definitely been worn, but it's just such a sick piece to have in the collection. Now a piece I did know he was gonna send me is this right here. This is the yellow camo puffer. I love puffer coats. I was so gassed when he posted this. This is gonna look so sick contrasting with the green pine trees or the greenery of the Pacific Northwest. This piece is just so freaking dope. I love the yellow camo, and the yellow camo is one of the reasons that I actually liked the trench coat so much. I'm not as big of a fan of the green camo, but the yellow camo is looking absolutely lovely. Now I love a lot of different Bape camos and a lot of the colors they try, so I really wanted this piece. Now this was one of the other pieces that I did know about, and this piece is so freaking dope. However, it does not fit me. So if I do end up doing a giveaway, this is going to be one of the pieces that I actually give away. Now this is really small. It's small in the waist and kind of baggy down here, but they're orange camo Bape pants, and they're like these tactical pants. They're more kind of like almost like a nylon material, or made of like, I don't know, it's kind of hard, make like an ACU material. I would say these probably fit like a 28-inch waist, but regardless, I mean, if I do a giveaway for these and you win, you'll get some free Bape pants. You could sell them, do whatever you want with them, but these are sick. Japanese sizing f***s me up sometimes, bro. Like, I got some Mastermind Japan, the trousers that I showed off recently. I got a size large, and those things fit me like a small to a medium. I did not know he was gonna send this. I actually didn't even open this, so I don't even know what's in here yet. Okay, what are these? Are these like pajama pants? Oh, damn. Is this a pajama pants or top? Oh, this is a pajama top. Okay, so this is a gray camo pajama top. As you can see right here, this is made of a thermal material, so it's a gray pajama thermal. It's a size large. I'm not a big fan of the gray camo. I like a lot of their colorful camo more, if I'm being honest, but still, thank you, bro. I appreciate you. This thing is dope. I would have rather seen that in like a yellow camo or purple camo or red camo, but still, bro, I appreciate it. Now, this piece right here is... Oh, actually, I do know what this is. Yo, I told him I wanted one of these. This thing is brand freaking new. This thing is sick. I hope this fits. This is a size medium. And if you look right here, the material on this is way different. It's almost like a jersey material, but look, it's got a bathing ape, little rib embroidery right there, a bathing ape, rib embroidery right there, a bathing ape rib embroidery on the other cuff as well, of course, obviously. You got the Bape head right there, and then on the back it says Bape. Yo, thank you, brother. I appreciate it. I definitely need to try this on. I'm sorry that I'm not going to do like a little try-on segment like I did with my pants. When it comes to these unboxings, it just takes a lot more time. Ooh, this is the other piece I knew about. So, this right here is the Supreme Hypnotize Minds t-shirt. This tee is definitely a sick-ass Supreme tee. Shout out to Juicy J and DJ Paul, of course, but damn, this piece is so freaking sick. Definitely one of the better Supreme collaborations. I love this t-shirt. I will say it's a little bit tight, but I kind of just want to deal with it and keep it because I love this tee so bad, and this is a piece that I've actually wanted for quite some time. Now, I don't know what else this dude sent me. To be honest, I have no idea. Sent me... What is this? Oh, okay, yeah. This is like a inflatable baby Milo head. I didn't open up any of the other stuff, actually. Oh, no, I lied. I did open up this. This is a Supreme little, like, case, right? Like a little Supreme little, I don't know, you put a little pocket camera in there, little camera holder. Then you have this little, what are these things called? Carabiner. Boom, remembered it. I might actually throw this in the giveaway as well. I'm not quite sure. Let's see, what else did bro send me? He sent me some bathing ape stickers. Look at all these little bathing ape stickers. You got Bapesta stickers. Oh, these are dope. All these little flame stickers are hard. So I got that. I also got this. This is a bathing ape bait? Fish bait? I might actually just end up giving this to Paul because I know Paul enjoys going fishing, so it'd only be right that I bless my brother with the little Bape fishing thing. Okay, let's see. What else do we got? Is this... No. Is this Bape toilet paper? Are you fucking with me? This is Bape toilet paper! That is the hardest shit ever! Damn, that is sick! I don't know why, but like when I just looked at this, I thought it was like a Bape mug in the wrapping. I did not think this was toilet... I'm so fucking stoked that I have Bape. What the fuck? Why is that a thing? Yo, I'm gassed. What else is in here? Okay, so This I saw when I opened up the bag. The main reason I opened it up was to try on the pants and the jackets. I genuinely didn't look at all these little accessories. A lot of the stuff is still sealed. Like, anyways, what is this? I don't really know what this is, to be honest. Shout out to Kaz. This shit's fucking hard for sure. I wish I knew what to use it for. Like, maybe it's like a little, you know what I'm saying? I really don't know what this is for. Is this like a bib, maybe? Maybe like that. Next up, we got this. It looks like I did open this. Yeah, I'm keeping this. Look. Got a little babe guy, you know what I'm saying? Blah, 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 blah. I can't believe I just did that on camera, actually. I normally, that's how I normally talk to animals. I don't know why. Anyways, but yeah, look, I got a little Bape figure. I like this dude. I did open this though, I remember this actually. I got this package a while ago. I've been waiting to actually do this video because, what are these Bape cards? Oh, these are, that's sick, dude! Now when I go to SneakerCon, we can freaking play Mafia with the Bape cards? Who's got the Bape playing cards? Come on, that's so hard. Thank you, bro. Sarugeneral, I appreciate you, brother. Please, guys, go give this dude a follow. There's one other thing that he gave me that I did not know he was gonna send me, but when I opened it up, this box is like a heavy-ass box. It was like a freaking, like, Supreme magazine. Oh, duh, it fell out. Haha, that's funny. It actually fell out of the box. But yeah, he gave me this little Supreme magazine. And if you go through it, it's got, like, these different pictures. I think this is actually from Japan, too. Yeah, like, all these prices are in yen. That's so sick. That's gonna be such a sick, like, little coffee table magazine just to have that right there. This I'm definitely gonna keep. Sarugeneral, I appreciate you. Guys, if you want to see a giveaway from me and Sarugeneral, I need two things from you guys. First of all, smash that like button. Go check out Sarugeneral and just leave a comment on his page or whatever. If he gets enough love and this video gets enough love, I will gladly do a giveaway and I'll give away those pants and maybe a couple accessories for you guys. Huge shout out to Sarugeneral for sending me this stuff. He does have a drop every Sunday. I'm posting this video on Sunday, so hopefully at the time of posting this, his website will actually be live. I'm gonna leave a link to his Instagram and I will also leave a link to his website down in the description below. Definitely go check that out. Make sure you follow his Instagram because he'll update you on when he is going to have some drops and what he will drop. He always posts the drop list prior to the actual drop day. And make sure you are quick because a lot of the stuff that is obviously really sought after or the really good deals, they go quick. So just watch out for the drops. Now, as for the value of this mystery box, I don't know, man. I mean, it's kind of weird because like I said, I knew about some of the items, so it's like a kind of mystery box. It's honestly, I'm probably gonna like downplay it just because I did know some of the stuff, so let's say like $2,000. Regardless, there's a lot of cool shit, so thank you, Sarugeneral. I really appreciate you, bro. I cannot say thank you enough. Some of the cool little things, like seeing this, dude, was so dope. I didn't know they had Bape toilet paper. Like, I'm afraid to open it, but eventually I definitely will be taking some shits and using this, so thank you. Like I said earlier, go check out Sarugeneral. Go check out his page in the description below. Also in the description below, of course, I will leave a link to my Instagram, the most fire Instagram in the game. You already know. I will be getting some photos and some of the personal pieces in this little box right here. Seriously, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate all of you guys from the top and bottom of my heart. And as always, keep living the star life. Peace the fuck out.